That phone number was shortened from a 1-800 number to that 3-digit emergency code to make it easier to remember and to reduce the stigma around mental health. Fox 13 Health reporter Mandy Rock found out as the calls and messages for help continue, the Memphis call center needs help itself.
I'm not surprised at all. It's tough out here.
It's definitely not surprising to me. I think just with everything that's going on in the world, it's really hard to stay sane.
As the nation continues to grapple with a mental health crisis, the Suicide Prevention's 3-number hotline has proven to be a lifeline.
There's literally is not a week that goes by that someone doesn't say, thank you. You made a difference in my life. You helped me when I was at a desperate point. And that is one of the most rewarding things, to know that your work truly helps people.
Holly McCaskill is the executive director of the Memphis Crisis Center. When someone in Shelby County dials 988, they're connected to a trained counselor at the center who can provide them with emotional support and intervention services. Since the rollout of the national 988 hotline in 2022, McCaskill said they've seen an influx in calls.
Just in the last year, which is the first full year we've been on board with 988, we have seen over 8,000 calls. And so far this year, we have seen about a 15% increase for 2024.
McCaskill expects those numbers to increase as more people find out about the hotline.
Maybe they've lost their job, or they're depressed, or, they're not necessarily suicidal, but they just need some emotional support. And we are there for that as well.
People we talk to want others in crisis to know there is help and you don't have to face your troubles alone.
Use those resources that we do have and reach out to someone, because I think a lot of people don't want to burden other people with their problems, and the people who care about you won't feel like it's a burden to help you.
And the Memphis Crisis Center is looking for more volunteers to help them keep up with the influx in calls. If you're interested in being a volunteer, we posted how you can sign up attached to this story on our website, fox13memphis.com. Covering your health, Mandy Rock, Fox 13 News.
And just to remind you, you can call 988 anytime to be connected to a trained dispatcher who can refer you to mental health care resources in your community. Plus, we've got a full guide to resources much like that on our website. Go to fox13memphis.com.